Good morning, Daily Dolls. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday. So today we're going to be doing a DIY and we're going to be making a Dollar Tree inspired Glam Trinket tray. We're going to use these beautiful scrap papers from Michael's Craft Store. They're rose gold and white. So I'm just going to choose a design, and this is the one that I'm going to go with. I like the background flowers on them. And then we're going to use some bling and rhinestones as well to glam out our tray. We're going to use a Dollar Tree frame, and this is some muslin fabric that I was going to use as a backing on the frame. However, I decided not to use it, but it is up to you if you would like to use it. You can also use felt material as well for a backing. We're going to be using these handles. This is optional. I'm going to use those so I can show you guys how it looks if you were to add handles. So we're going to take our tray or our frame and we're going to disassemble it, and then we're going to save all parts of it because we're going to need every last one of those pieces again. So this frame is like a 3D frame. As you see, it has a border made in the inside and it sits a little bit deeper than a normal frame. So make sure that that is the frame that you are using for this particular DIY. So we're going to take the paper that comes in the frame and use it as a guide to cut our scrap paper. So we're going to put it to the very edge, and pretty much we're just going to cut out the exact same size so that we know that our scrap paper background will fit inside of our frame. Our next step is to take the border that comes inside of our frame and work with it. So you want to get it and lay it down flat. Get your rhinestones or whatever embellishments you decided to use, and then just go ahead and design the frame how you like it. So here you're going to see me just take my rhinestones and place them on the frame so I can get an idea of the placement. It's kind of like a rough run, and I'm just going to put them on there without gluing them down. And then once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I will go back behind myself and then glue them down using hot glue. Alright you guys, moving right along, we're going to take our scrap paper now, and just because I want to be a little extra and a little bit more blingy, I'm going to take some rhinestones and add them to the design that is already beautiful. and just give it a little bit of glam. So we're going to take the rhinestones and place them in the areas that I want them to be in, following a pattern. And then I'm going to go back behind myself also again and glue them down using hot glue. Grabbing our picture frame, we're going to go ahead and give it a little bit of glam factor by adding this adhesive bling to the sides of the frame. I only did the top portion of the frame, however you can go all out and do all parts of the blackness of the frame by adding adhesive bling to it. It would give it more of a wow factor, however I tried to minimize it just a little bit and I just did the top only. So cut the strip down to size and then follow the same steps for all 4 sides of the frame. Okay dolls, so this is how your masterpiece should be looking once you have put all pieces back together and added your handles to the sides or the top of your trinket tray. You can do that by using E6000 or some type of permanent glue. Isn't this tray just absolutely cute? I love it. I love how easy and simple it was, and this tray is multi-purpose so that you can use it displaying some of your wonderful perfumes, colognes, or perhaps a decor piece. You can even serve light appetizers on it if you were to choose to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, affordable and different. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notification bell. Share this video, you guys, so that we can continue to grow. Thank you so much for your continued support. I love each and every last one of you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.